Okay, so this is a quick tutorial video to show you how to go into task 4.0.1 and some of the suggestions that I have for editing the assignment. Okay, the original assignment, if you click there and then open in Mix Editor, this is sort of what I had already done to change up the original from what it was before. When you first opened the assignment, it looked something like this. You had 4 loops on 4 separate tracks, and it was in like this block formation. Now, here's some tips that I have. When you're trying to work with one specific loop, I highly recommend that you click on it so that it's outlined in white. If you want to repeat the loop, over the top right hand corner of each one of these is a like circle with an arrow. That's the loop button. So you click that and you can drag it out, and it just repeats what the original 4-bar loop was. If you notice, if I drag this out, you'll see this white line here. That just means that that's where the loop is restarting. And you keep doing that as many times over as you want. Again, if each of these is 4 bars, you're going to have measure 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and measure 5 is where that loop starts. So 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. That's the second iteration of that loop. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13. That's the third round of the loop. And then I'll go all the way up to measure 17. And that'll be the 4th round of that. Okay. So measure 17 is where I guess I'll stop my project. I don't want this base loop to come in right away. This base loop, I don't want it to come in right away. So what I might do, if I click just in the middle of this and move it around, it's like picking the whole object up and moving it. Maybe I want that to start at measure 5. The trap keys, maybe I want that to start at measure 9, along with this trap synth here. But I do want the bass to continue. So again, I'm going to click the loop that I want to manipulate, click on the looping button, I guess, and drag it out to wherever I need it. If you're using a separate mouse to move this around, I highly recommend that. It's just easier to move around. I'm going to loop this out. I'm going to loop this out. I'm going to loop this out. Now, I wonder if I have the ability to loop things backwards. Doesn't look like I do, but that's okay. What I could do if I wanted to add this baseline to start here, I'm not going to move the beginning of the loop over. I'll still start it at measure 5, but what I'll do is I'll copy this. All right, I'm highlighting the loop. I'm hitting Control Copy, moving my cursor back over here, and when I paste it, that's where I'm pasting it. And then I could eventually just chop the beginning of the loop so that the end is starting, and then continue looping this through. So here's what my project sounds like so far. So there is my edited task 4.0.1. And when I'm done, I'm going to click Save. And then when you're really, really done, you can go ahead and click Submit. And I will receive that as a submitted task. And then I can go in and add some comments and grade it. Good luck.